Hello, guys. Oh wait. Hello, guys. Welcome to my mind. Oh wait, no. This is 3 Roblox video.
Michael, shut up!
No swearing! Don't swear!
No.
I'm gonna
What?
eat you. I said don't. Yo!
What?
Hey, did you know that? Did you know?
What?
Nothing. I'm gonna.
I hate you!
I think this is the first video that you got so aggressive though. Like, oh.
Oh, that's
Oh,
it's nighttime!
I'm gonna hide in my
Wait.
cozy bunk.
Jamis.
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 Jamis. Who are you? La.
La.
Oh, you're so loud.
Hi, La.
Loud.
What is happening?
I don't know. I'm safe in my bunk bed, at least. No, it's not a
I'm
bunk
balls
bed.
in my sunk Vev.
What? Kim. Who's Kim?
Look at the
Stop
of
screaming.
my house.
Stop
My
screaming.
house is very cool. The house is such a cool house. My house. Okay, so
Stop screaming, or I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna stop.
I'm gonna eat your face.
Stop screaming, bro.
Pizza.
Pizza. Oh wait. I'm low on hunger and energy.
Nom. I have no energy.
I have no energy and hunger. Look.
Nom.
No num for you. Kaboom. Kaboom. Thank you.
Hey Marcus, take a look at this bed. There's a dent in it. Oh, no, that's not a dent.
Consume. What if I consume a
Consume the
medkit?
bed. Sure.
Yo, I swear, if you're gonna make me fall, I'm gonna seriously.
Let's make a pact to not betray each other.
Okay.
Here, we must sleep in the same bed.
What? I'm just gonna place it somewhere else. How do I place it? Drop. Oh.
Bug
Can't
bed.
drop
Bug
item.
bed.
Drop.
Wow, nice bed. Then wait, I'm gonna place the best bed position. My beanbag.
No, my beanbag.
Wait, Marcus, let us commence the sleepinings. Kaboom. We are asleep. Listen to us snore. Feel the... What are you doing?
How did you not fall?
You cannot betray me.
No! 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 Can't drop item. No! I'm scared! Bro! No, don't you dare. I'm gonna eat you. As you can see, I am gonna... You want ASMR? You wanna
What?
hear
Sure,
ASMR?
why not? Yeah, sure, why not?
What?
Nice AMR. Nice
AMR.
AMR you got there, bro.
AMR!
Nice AMR you got there, bro.
AMR. AMR. I'm gonna
Actually, one of
change
the
on
best
you.
AMR I've got. Wait, what? Lower floor! No way, Marcos. The lower floor saved you.
Oh my
Marcos,
god.
wait, this will be our lower floor. This will be our lower floor.
Oh my god, bro, you scared me. Stop scaring me.
I knew there's a lower floor here. I knew there's a lower floor here, so that's why That's why I did that.
Yeah, dude, totally.
No, I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding.
You actually knew. Yo,
Yes, I actually knew.
how do I get up?
No. Huh. Herbie is not pro.
What? Herbie is
No,
up,
like in
bro.
the chat. Even the game is insulting the player.
Yo, let's go!
Oh my goodness, Stena from Among Us!
What? Oh my gosh, Undertale from Among Us. Oh my gosh, Davian from Goss!
Marcus, don't! It's foggy!
What? Oh yeah, it's foggy.
Yeah, foggy. It's still but employee probably still Oh god, that
Are you low on food?
I don't have no food!
I'm low on food! We're gonna die!
I have no energy!
I'm losing sanity!
Marcus, let us hug each other before we die. It just be me because it's safer here. Actually, let's go on the second floor.
Yeah, the second floor is way better.
No, like we can actually like see what's. Marcus, there's a kitchen over there. Who should get the food from there? I can't sprint no more.
Me too. We're cooked! I have 1%!
This is the ending. James, get food.
James,
James, get food.
No!
James, get
No!